Title: AZAL'S Morning Adventure with Daddy, a tale of imagination and discovery. In a cozy little neighborhood, nestled between quiet streets and adorned with blooming flowers, lived a delightful 2-year-old girl named Azal. With her sparkling eyes and a smile that could melt anyone's heart, Azal was a bundle of pure joy. Every morning, she eagerly awaited her special stroll with her loving father. As the first rays of dawn kissed the sky, Azal's father gently scooped her up from her crib, cradling her in his strong, loving arms. Azal's face lit up with a smile as they prepared for their daily journey. "Where are we going today, Daddy?" she asked, her voice filled with wonder. "We're going to the nearby park, my little explorer," her father replied, his voice carrying the promise of adventure. With Azal safely nestled in her father's embrace, feeling the warmth of his love as they stepped out into the world. The streets were quiet and serene, a tranquil canvas waiting to be painted with the day's adventures. Azal's heart brimmed with anticipation as she looked around, eager to explore. As they strolled hand in hand, Azal's imagination came to life. She spotted dogs and cats frolicking on the sidewalks and streets, their tails wagging and whiskers twitching. To Azal, they weren't just pets. They were the royal entourage of the neighborhood. "Daddy, look! Those dogs are guarding the kingdom, and the cats are the wise advisors," Azal declared with a giggle. Her father chuckled and played along. "You're absolutely right, Azal. They're doing a great job." They continued their walk, and Azal's keen eyes spotted early risers starting their day. A baker was opening his shop, and the scent of freshly baked bread wafted through the air. A postman passed by with a friendly wave, setting off to deliver letters to far-off places. Azal waved back at everyone, her innocence and charm brightening their mornings. "Look, Daddy, the townspeople are getting ready for their daily quests," she exclaimed, her imagination turning ordinary people into brave adventurers. Her father smiled down at her. "Indeed, Azal. Everyone has their own adventures to embark upon." As they approached the nearby park, the world transformed into a magical wonderland in Azal's eyes. The chirping of birds overhead became the joyful melodies of the enchanted forest, and the trees stretched their branches like ancient guardians, welcoming them. They spotted a group of birds perched on a tree branch, their feathers glistening in the morning light. Azal watched in awe as they sang sweet songs, and she couldn't resist joining in with her own cheerful melody. "Daddy, we're singing with the forest songbirds," Azal declared, her laughter echoing through the park. Her father listened intently and nodded. "Yes, Azal, they're singing just for us," and joined in, his deep voice harmonizing with Azal's sweet, innocent tune. Together, they created a duet that blended seamlessly with the morning's symphony of nature. Once inside the park, Azal's little feet carried her to the playground. She climbed the small steps, explored the slides, and giggled as she swayed on the swings. Her father watched with pride, savoring every moment of her boundless joy. As the sun climbed higher in the sky, Azal and her father knew it was time to head back home. Azal's heart was brimming with the beauty of the world she had discovered that morning. As they walked back, she whispered, "Daddy, I love our morning walks." Her father smiled down at her. "I love them too, Azal. It's our special time together." Back at their cozy home, Azal snuggled in her father's arms as he read her a story. Her eyelids grew heavy with the sweet exhaustion of a morning filled with adventure and wonder. As her father tucked her into bed, she whispered, "Thank you for the best morning ever, Daddy." Her father kissed her forehead and whispered back, "You are my little adventurer, Azal, and every morning with you is a treasure." And so, in their peaceful neighborhood, nestled between friendly streets and under the morning sun, Azal and her father continued to share their morning strolls, exploring the world through the wide-eyed wonder of little girl and the boundless love of a doting father, creating beautiful memories with each step they took together.